Oh, there we go. Straight away, look, on the drop, literally on the drop. And they're just literally down here under my feet. I mean, why fish anywhere else? Oh, there we go. Whew. Now that is a proper fish. Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So really quick one today, just showing you guys how simple it can be just catching fish literally down here at the end of your top kit. It's a line not to forget, especially if you're pleasure fishing. We can tend to just go straight out either on the feeder, and we tend to come in on the margins, but sometimes just down here on a short line can catch you loads of fish. It's something we do in matches quite a lot. We're fishing out there, we'll be throwing pellets in or maggots in down here, and we'll be priming it for a good hour or more. So when you're out either pleasure fishing or in your next match, give this line a go. Dead simple. So I'm going to show you what I do, and hopefully we're going to catch a few carp. Okay, so before we get going, let me just explain my setup. It's really simple. Like I say, don't overcomplicate it. But I am fishing down here with 8mm pellets, looking for some big carp. So I'm going really robust. So I've got a 16 hybrid elastic on. Again, like I say, nice thick elastic. It's going to coat well. 0.19mm diameter main line, all the way down to a 0.16mm diameter hook length. I've got 4.5 foot of water, so I've got a 4x14 float on. Really simple. Back shot as usual, all the way down, and I've basically got I've got 3 number 8s, and then I've got 2 number 9 droppers, sort of spaced out about 2 inches apart. Then I've got my hook length with a band on, size 16 hook. Like I say, really simple. Keep it simple, and we're going to catch a few fish. Okay, so 8mm pellet on, and all I'm doing is fishing down here, right in front of me. Just throwing in some 8mm. Literally top kit. That's all we're doing today. There are feet. I mean, it's really warm today, and there's plenty of fish around, surfacing around, cruising around. So I'm just trying to nail them to the bottom. There we go. And if I can nail them down there on the bottom, to me it's just a better. So I'm going to get some more pellets in. See if we can get this one open. Get his head up, we got him in. So a nice fish, probably about £5. There we go, get the hook out, get him in. So really simple. This time of year in the summer, you just don't need to be fishing right out. You're pleasure fishing. Just think about keeping it simple. I mean, if you're in a match, it's different, right? Because match conditions do change what fish do and where they feed. But when you're in a pleasure session, but even in a match, you know, you'd be priming this line probably for a couple of hours, just throwing some bait in, or whether it's in the margin, but you know, in front of you is always good. And you know, the carp just come in. The carp are used to coming in at the end of your nets. Oh, there we go. Straight away, look, on the drop, literally on the drop. Another decent fish. And they're just literally down here under my feet. I mean, why fish anywhere else? Oh, there we go. Whew. Now that is a proper fish. That has got to be £15. What? That is unbelievable. Absolute unit. Okay, let me just see if this one wants to play ball. Because this is a cracking fish. I mean, a unit and a half. Look at that. Beautiful fish. It's getting back in. All under my feet. Absolute beauty. He's got to be coming on £15, that one. Okay, so let's see if we can catch one more. So throw some 8mm pellets in. Drop that in. Let it drop through over the top of these 8mm. There you go, so the hook bait's now hit the bottom. Float settled. There we go, look, straight away. Little sharp jab. So there's already one sitting there. So feeding, you just got to be careful you don't feed too much. You know, I know I'd already had another fish in the swim because I had a couple of line bites before. I caught that last one. So I don't want too many fish in the swim. Just try and bring in maybe 2 or 3 at a time. Oh, and that's come out. So that could have been foul hooked. We have got a scale on, and that's what you got to be careful. So again, I'm not going to feed. I don't want too many fish in my swim. Okay, so let's try that again. I'm just going to drop it in this time, let it go straight down. Let that line straighten up. There we go. Drop the float in, and we're now fishing over the top where those 8mm have been going in. And we should get a sharp jab in a minute. If there's another fish there we go, sharp jab, got a fish on. And look at that, look, straight away, absolute unit. That only just goes in. It's got to be £10, easily £10. Yeah, I'd probably even say a bit bigger. Again, proper units here. There we go. But there you go, guys. Hopefully you can see how easy it is catching on a top kit. Let's get him in. But there you go, guys, really simple fishing. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Just fishing with 8mm pellets down here on a top kit. You know, you can catch a load of fish like you've just seen. Give it a go, whether you're pleasure fishing, meaning most match anglers do this anyway, but especially if you're new to fishing or you just go pleasure fishing, just come close and keep it really simple. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. It's a massive help, more than you know. Also, don't forget to drop this video a like. And if you spare 5 seconds, please do leave a comment. Let me know how your fishing is going. But guys, I'm going to carry on fishing, but hopefully you've enjoyed it. Tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.